Amanda.
I'm Sam.
I'm Chloe.
And welcome to our cooking show.
Today we will be making LB Agar and how to pour peach juice.
Let's get started.
You will need
400 milliliter beaker, 250 milliliter bottle, LB Agar base, hot hands, Rainbows, autoclave tape, magnetic stirring wand and rod, Sharpie, glass stirring rod, scoop, tabletop balance, hot plate.
We will begin by washing our media bottle.
You will also need to wash your beaker.
You will need to label your bottle with your initials, date, period, and LB Agar.
Now with your clean beaker and bottle, you can begin your process. So the agar base that we are using is supposed to be used for 35 grams per 1 liter, but since we only want 125 milliliters, you have to do a conversion. So now, with a zeroed tabletop balance, you will need to place your weigh book and begin your measurements. So now, with your weighed out agar base, you can add it to your beaker.
Now, we will slowly add 90 milliliters of distilled water while stirring. Then you're going to add water to get a total volume of 125 milliliters. Be sure to watch for the meniscus.
Next, we'll be needing to heat up our agar. You add in the magnetic stir and then set it onto your hot plate. The heat on your hot plate should be at 7, and then the stir should be around 6 or 5. If it smells like dog food, if it smells like cat piss, then you're on the right track. After a few minutes, it should be clear enough that you can see the magnetic stir through the liquid.
Once your solution is clear enough, turn off the heat and turn off the stir. Then take your magnetic stir and take out your agar. Then very loosely put the cap on. It should be a jiggly cap. And then put a piece of autoclave tape on it.
Then you can give your LB Agar to your teacher to be autoclaved. Once your LB Agar has been autoclaved, if it's been sitting overnight, you will need to reheat it. When you need to reheat it, make sure it's jiggly capped, and then you're going to put it in the microwave bag. You'll do 2 minutes at 50% power. You use your hot hands to give it a little swirl. It has not all been dissolved, so put it back in for 3 seconds, still half power. Once it's done, you take it out using your hot hands. Give one last swirl.
Next, we're going to teach you how to use sterile technique and pour peach plates.
So now we can begin. You will need petri plates that are pre-sterilized, Anvil to sterilize your flow hood, a Sharpie, your preheated LB Agar, hot hands, paper towels, and the flow hood and the Bunsen burner. Before we begin sterilizing our flow hood, you will need to wash your hands.
are going to label around the edges of what the sample is. Your proper label is going to have your names, date, period. Now we're going to sterilize our flow hood. Then you'll need to ask the teacher to light the Bunsen burner for you. Now with your open LB Agar, you're going to pass it through the flame 3 to 5 times. Then, with the barely open Petri plates, you're going to pour in just to cover the surface, the bottom surface of your plate. Now we're going to use masking tape to tape around our already labeled Petri plates.
Allow the plates to cool for at least 24 hours before use. They're able to be stored for 2 weeks in a cool, dark area.
Thanks for watching our cooking show.